Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a first impressions, well, an unboxing really, of the brand Minase. Now, this is a brand kind of never really heard of before, though I started doing some research and some of their models looked really impressive. So I reached out to them and they were really good enough to actually send me one on loan. So let's have a look at it. If I can get this away without bashing the mic. I haven't looked at it yet, so let's see. Oh, that's cool. I like that. It's like the old Japanese way of wrapping stuff. I like it. I'll never be able to put that back together. In the bottom there, it looks like we have all the warranty cards and so forth, but I say this is only a loan watch. That looks cool. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, that's nice. Let's move this out of the way. So I say, it's only a first impressions really. Feels like a light balsa style wood. That's their logo, which is a step drill, because they used to be a tool manufacturer. Okay, all very nice. Let's get rid of this. As it's come direct from them, it's got loads of packaging around it. Okay. And more packaging, we love it. Let's see about this. This model is Divido, I think it's called. Can I get into it? These always get me these things here. Okay. Can I? It's got to be an easier way to get into these. Talk amongst yourselves for a minute. Ooh, check that out. Wow. That looks quite impressive, to be fair. Let's zoom in a little bit on that dial. Multifaceted. Several different layers going on there. That is cool. I must admit, I think the quality of the polishing and the brushwork is absolutely superb. The crystal looks great. It looks like the bracelet is completely... It looks like you can strip down a complete bracelet. I say, these people got their name, I think, in the 60s as a tool manufacturer. That looks cool. I don't know what the screws are there. That is quite intriguing. Oh, it looks like these are separate layers. Silky smooth. The wind on it is absolutely flawless. Let's give it a little bit of a wipe down because it's been in the box, so it's the polishing. I believe they do complete Suatsu polishing, I believe. Anyway, I'm not 100% sure. I say it's just an unboxing, but the brushwork and the polishing just looks really, really impressive. It feels nice also. Let's move the hands out of the way of the date at the moment. Can't even feel it winding. Oh wow, have you seen that as well? Look, as you can see through the case. Is it only on that side? No, on both sides. That is pretty impressive. I must admit, this feels very, very premium. I like it. Let's put it on my wrist. Quick wrist check. Zoom out. Zin 556. Bob. Oh, you got Nomos on there. Okay, Bob's on Nomos. Say, it's not sized at the moment or anything like that, but we'll just put it on my wrist. Wow. 7¼ inch wrists, and that does look really impressive. Yeah, I must say, so far, I'm very, very impressed. And I like the fact that it's a brand kind of no one's really heard of. It's not one of those brands you kind of hear commonly talked about. But let me know in the comments what you think about it. But that dial, it's got like a sunburst effect, but it looks like it's, I say, faceted. There's all different levels going on there. I don't know. That looks really, really impressive. Let me know in the comments below. But as I say, only a first impressions video, so I'll get the full review out in the next few weeks after it's been on my wrist for a bit. Anyway, all the best, guys, and stay safe out there. Bye.